Have you ever wondered how doctors can quickly identify broken bones, detect lung infections, or diagnose certain medical conditions without performing surgery? One of the oldest, safest, and most widely used medical imaging techniques is the X-ray. Every day, millions of X-ray examinations are performed in hospitals, diagnostic centers, emergency departments, and clinics around the world. Despite being over a century old, X-ray technology remains one of the most important tools in modern healthcare. An X-ray is a non-invasive medical imaging test that uses a controlled amount of ionizing radiation to create images of the inside of the body. As X-ray beams pass through different tissues, bones absorb more radiation than soft tissues. This difference allows a digital detector to produce detailed images that help healthcare professionals identify abnormalities, injuries, and diseases quickly and accurately. X-ray imaging is often the first diagnostic test doctors recommend because it is fast, widely available, cost-effective, and highly effective for evaluating many common medical conditions. Whether a patient has suffered an injury, experiences persistent pain, develops respiratory symptoms, or requires routine medical evaluation, an X-ray frequently provides valuable diagnostic information. Doctors use X-rays to examine many parts of the body. Bone X-rays help detect fractures, joint dislocations, arthritis, osteoporosis-related changes, and bone infections. Chest X-rays are commonly performed to evaluate the lungs, heart, ribs, and airways. They help identify pneumonia, tuberculosis, chronic lung disease, heart enlargement, fluid around the lungs, and other chest conditions. Dental X-rays assist dentists in detecting cavities, gum disease, impacted teeth, jaw problems, and other oral health conditions. X-rays are also used to evaluate the abdomen, spine, pelvis, and certain soft tissue abnormalities. One of the greatest advantages of X-ray imaging is its speed. In emergency situations, doctors often rely on X-rays to rapidly diagnose broken bones, chest injuries, or other traumatic conditions. Quick diagnosis allows treatment to begin without unnecessary delays, improving patient outcomes. The X-ray procedure itself is simple and painless. Before the examination, patients may be asked to remove jewelry, eyeglasses, belts, watches, or other metal objects that could interfere with image quality. Depending on the body part being examined, patients may stand, sit, or lie on an examination table while an X-ray technologist carefully positions them. During the examination, the X-ray machine directs a brief burst of radiation through the body toward a digital detector. Patients are usually asked to remain completely still for a few seconds. In some examinations, especially chest X-rays, patients may also be instructed to hold their breath momentarily to produce clearer images. Most X-ray examinations are completed within just a few minutes. One reason X-rays remain so valuable is their ability to provide immediate diagnostic information. Emergency physicians, orthopedic surgeons, pulmonologists, dentists, and many other healthcare professionals use X-ray images to support accurate diagnosis and treatment planning. The images are interpreted by radiologists, who prepare detailed reports for the referring physician. Many people are concerned about radiation exposure during an X-ray examination. Modern digital X-ray systems use carefully controlled radiation doses designed to produce high-quality images while minimizing unnecessary exposure. Healthcare providers follow established radiation safety principles and only recommend X-ray examinations when the expected medical benefit outweighs the small potential risk. Preparation for an X-ray depends on the type of examination being performed. Most routine X-rays require little or no preparation. However, certain specialized X-ray procedures may involve contrast agents or additional instructions from the healthcare provider. Patients should always inform the medical team about pregnancy, implanted medical devices, previous surgeries, allergies, or other important medical conditions before the examination. Understanding how X-ray technology works helps patients feel more confident during the imaging process. In Part 2, we will explore radiation safety, benefits, possible risks, contrast studies, common myths, frequently asked questions, and practical tips for understanding X-ray results. This educational video is intended for informational purposes only and should never replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment from a qualified healthcare professional.
One of the most common questions people ask is an X-ray safe? For most patients, the answer is yes. Modern X-ray systems use carefully controlled, low doses of ionizing radiation to create diagnostic images. Healthcare providers recommend an X-ray only when the expected medical benefit is greater than the small potential risk associated with radiation exposure. Hospitals and diagnostic imaging centers follow internationally accepted radiation safety guidelines to keep exposure as low as reasonably achievable while still producing clear and accurate images. Radiation is a natural part of our environment. Every person is exposed to small amounts of natural background radiation from the sun, the earth, and even the air we breathe. Medical X-rays add a small amount of additional exposure, but this is carefully monitored and minimized using modern digital imaging equipment. Advances in technology have significantly reduced radiation doses compared with older X-ray systems while maintaining excellent image quality. Healthcare professionals take extra precautions for certain patients. Women who are pregnant or believe they may be pregnant should always inform the medical team before undergoing an X-ray examination. Depending on the medical situation, the doctor may postpone the examination, use protective shielding when appropriate, or recommend an alternative imaging test such as ultrasound or MRI if it can provide the necessary diagnostic information without radiation. Children may also require X-rays when medically necessary. Because children are more sensitive to radiation than adults, pediatric imaging protocols use specially adjusted radiation doses based on the child's age, size, and the body part being examined. Pediatric radiology teams follow strict safety standards to ensure high-quality diagnostic images while minimizing unnecessary exposure. X-rays are also widely used to monitor medical conditions over time. Orthopedic surgeons use follow-up X-rays to evaluate bone healing after fractures or surgery. Chest X-rays help physicians monitor pneumonia, chronic lung diseases, heart enlargement, or recovery after treatment. Dentists regularly use dental X-rays to assess tooth development, detect cavities, monitor gum disease, and plan dental procedures. These follow-up images provide valuable information about whether a patient's condition is improving, remaining stable, or requiring additional treatment. Despite its many advantages, X-ray imaging has certain limitations. While it provides excellent visualization of bones and many chest conditions, it does not always produce detailed images of soft tissues such as muscles, ligaments, nerves, or the brain. In these situations, healthcare providers may recommend additional imaging tests such as CT scans, MRI scans, or ultrasound to obtain more comprehensive information. Each imaging technique has unique strengths, and doctors select the most appropriate test based on the patient's symptoms, medical history, and clinical findings. Some specialized X-ray procedures use a contrast agent to improve image quality. Contrast materials help visualize blood vessels, the digestive system, urinary tract, or other internal structures that may not be clearly visible on routine X-rays. Before receiving contrast, patients are asked about allergies, previous reactions to contrast materials, kidney function, and other medical conditions to ensure the examination is performed safely. Many misconceptions surround X-ray imaging. One common myth is that every X-ray is harmful. In reality, modern diagnostic X-rays use relatively low radiation doses, and healthcare providers carefully evaluate whether the examination is medically necessary before recommending it. Another misconception is that an X-ray can detect every disease. While X-rays are excellent for many conditions, no single imaging test can diagnose all medical problems. Physicians combine imaging findings with medical history, physical examination, laboratory tests, and sometimes additional imaging studies to reach an accurate diagnosis. Patients often ask how they should prepare for an X-ray. Most routine examinations require little preparation. Wear comfortable clothing, remove metal objects if instructed, follow any specific guidance provided by the imaging center, and inform the healthcare team about pregnancy, implanted medical devices, recent surgeries, or previous imaging studies. Clear communication helps ensure accurate results and a smooth examination experience. Understanding X-ray imaging helps patients make informed healthcare decisions and reduces unnecessary anxiety before the examination. If your doctor recommends an X-ray, do not hesitate to ask questions about why the test is needed, how it will be performed, what the results may show, and whether additional imaging might be required. Being informed is an important part of receiving quality healthcare. Thank you for watching this educational video. If you found this information helpful, consider sharing it with friends and family to increase awareness about X-ray imaging, radiation safety, and preventive healthcare. Remember, this video is intended for educational purposes only. It does not replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional regarding your medical condition, symptoms, or test